it is crazy. So let's check how much it's gonna cost me to fill this truck up. Almost $65 to fill it up. Truth, I put almost $65 in my car to fill it up, and before I put the gas, this is what it shows. It was, you know, not on empty, but it was, I would say, you know, it had a little bit of gas. So after $65, we hopefully are going to get all the way to full. So let's try it. That's crazy. This is California gas, guys. Yeah, completely full. So I would say that to go from completely empty to a full tank of gas, it could cost me over, you know, I would say like $75-80 if the truck was completely empty. So gas is getting really expensive. Crazy how it is. Okay guys, we're working on the first pickup of the day. This pickup is for $12 and something, going for around 3 miles. So it is pretty good. So hopefully they have it ready. Hi, for Melissa?
Pica?
Yeah, Melissa. Thank you very much. Have a good day.
You too.
Okay guys, so we got the pickup for Melissa. But it's coffee. Hey, I have coffee. You know, sometimes it just spells. So let me see how we can set this up. First drop off for Uber Eats, and I just got another one from Arby's. So let me put this right here. Hey, coffee. Hey, I hope. Hey, no break. Look at that. Look at the chair on it. Okay guys, that is done, so I need to go to Arby's to pick up the other one. Okay guys, so we're here for Arby's. Crowded right now, so it's going to turn on my car. Should let the check go. But anyway, so I think it's gonna wait. $7. We are doing the drop off for Arby. Arby took some time. I think I waited there for around 10 minutes. Wasn't that bad, but you know, it's what it is. So it's $11, going very close. And today is Tuesday, so I expect I'm planning to go play soccer today, so I'm going to work until 8 p.m. Until 7:45, and then I'm going to go to the park. The bikers. Now this drop-off is for I think it's called Dirty Dog. So anyway, so we're going to go inside, deliver this order, and hopefully Uber Eats can give us more decent orders. Pickup is from Panera.
Thank you.
Sure. And hopefully they have it ready. Okay, that one right there. Got the offer, which is great. So we are going to bag it and get on the way. I believe this is the Hilton Garden. And glazing Hilton. I think this is the one, huh? Hey, how are you? Is this the Hilton Garden Inn?
Yes.
Okay, I got a food delivery for Casey. It's
For Casey?
yes. It doesn't work here. Maybe she's staying.
Caitlin? Cynthia? Caitlin? Yeah.
Okay, let me go ahead and text the person. Thank you. No, she didn't put a room number.
New message from Caitlin W.
Okay, never mind. She's coming down. Thank you.
Now that's going to be your login.
Pickup is from Rubio's. So this is like a, Mexican grill place. And this is for $10. Kind of slow today, but it's okay. It is Tuesday. Last week I could have like a breaking week and make over $2,000, but I didn't do it because I didn't work Saturday because we have family coming in. I ended up making $1,800, but I'm sure if I worked Saturday, I could have made over $200 because it was a really good week. So I'm sure I could have hitting the $2,000. Then. Okay guys, so we got the order for Ben, and now we're going to go ahead and bag it and take it to the customer. At the village, and they said to leave it at the door. So okay, so
Head to your drop-off at the village.
okay. Okay, that's done guys. So let's head on the way.